Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete rooms in your character.ai account. Now let's begin. Simply go to this link provided and log in right now. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you want to create a room, here's the create button right here. You can create a room from clicking this create a room button. Now simply add your room name, add characters. You can also add the room topic, it's completely optional. Simply click on this create it button. And as you can see, a room has successfully been created. But for now, let's just say I want to delete this room. So here's what we can do about it. Let's simply click on this back button right here. And from here on the left side of the screen, you will find something like chats. Click on it. You're going to be directed to the chat space. Simply scroll down. Now here is the room that I had just created. Simply click on this edit button right here. Now something like this will appear. If you click on this cross button right here, your room will be deleted. I'm going to click on this cross button right here. And there you have it, guys. That's how you delete rooms in character.ai account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we delete rooms in character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.